Alam ko sawa ka na sa aso't pusa nating bangayan. Kada araw walang pinapalampas. Lagi tayong nagsasalpukan. Walang gustong magparaya. Pareho tayong may gustong patunayan. Sana ngayong patapos na, magkasundo tayo. Pareho natin tong kasalanan. Mahal kita, mahal mo ko. Pareho tayong hindi perpekto. Hindi tayo nagkulang sa isa't isa. Magkaiba lang talaga ang pananaw natin at prinsipyo. Ito man ang hangganan, sana alam mo minahal kita hanggang sa kaya ko. Siguro isang araw, makakatagpo din tayo ng taong para sa atin. Pero sa ngayon, paalam muna. Ito na ang dulo. Ako si Von, at narinig ko na ang Panaghoy. My love, sa isang relationship, may mga tinatawag tayong silent battles. Mga battles that we don't normally share with our partners. Kasi we hate to complicate things even more. May mga pagkakataon talagang hindi kayo magkakasundo. Yung magsasalubong yung mga opinion ninyo, contrasting to each other. Yun yung thoughts ninyo. And sometimes, as much as you want the other person to win, just to prevent the fight from happening. Para lang hindi na kayo magbangayan, para lang hindi na kayo mag-away. Hindi mo rin talaga kasi mapigilan yung sarili mo to defend yourself when you know and you believe na you are being accused of something you don't mean, you didn't do, or the story na sinasabi niya is not really the story that you accept is true. And when the time comes na pareho na kayong nakakapag-isip-isip, pareho kayong kalmado, that's when you realize you are two different people with two different vision of how your relationship should go. Yung isa gusto pakaliwa, yung isa gusto pakanan. Yung isa gusto umatras, yung isa gusto pasulong. Hindi kayo mag-meet in the middle and you start to accept that maybe even if you love each other so much, kahit gaanan nyo pa kamahal yung isa't isa, it's not enough to make it work. Kasi aside from love, there are so many things that makes a relationship work. Andyan yung compromise, andyan yung understanding, andyan yung trust, yung effort, yung affection, yung attention, yung time. And when you think of all those things, alam mong sa lahat na yon, meron kayong tantos sa isa't isa. When I say tantos, pareho ninyong nakikitang kakulangan nyo ng isa kahit hindi naman. The others thinking they are giving enough, the others thinking nothing is ever gonna be enough. So you stop trying. Dininig nyo yung panaghoy ng isa't isa. You put an end to a relationship just before you stop respecting each other. Para hindi nyo na lang masaktan yung isa't isa. Para hindi kayo makapagbitaw ng salitang hindi nyo na kayang bawiin. Para hindi nyo siya makitang nahihirapan. You put an end to a relationship. Kasi you understand that a relationship should make you feel stronger. Not question every decision you made. And if you feel like yung relationship ninyo is more of a weight than a lift, more of a pain than a source of happiness, more of a struggle than a bucket full of joy, then you must accept the silent cry for it to end. Sa mga kabisyo natin, there are so many ways to show someone just how much you love them. And one of the most painful way to show it is to set them free if you know that it's not working. Just love each other enough to see them happy, even when you're not in it. Claro? Claro.